Guys, today we're reviewing Lindy AI to help you decide if this AI assistant is worth using in 2026. If you're looking for a tool that can automate repetitive tasks and improve your productivity, here's what you should know before getting started. Lindy AI is an AI powered assistant designed to help with email management, meeting scheduling, note taking, follow ups, research, and workflow automation. It connects with popular apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, and many other services, allowing it to complete tasks with minimal manual effort. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to create AI agents that can automate everyday business tasks. You can customize workflows, summarize meetings, draft emails, organize your calendar, and even perform web research. The platform is designed for professionals, entrepreneurs, sales teams, and anyone looking to save time on repetitive work. However, Lindy AI may not be the perfect choice for everyone. Some users mentioned that advanced workflow require time to set up, and the paid plans can become expensive for individuals with lighter workloads. It's best suited for users who regularly rely on meetings and business automation rather than simple one-time tasks. Overall, Lindy AI is a powerful AI assistant with impressive automative features, especially for business productivity. If you need an AI tool to handle routine work and streamline your daily workflow, it's definitely worth considering in 2026. That's it for the video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.